Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I remember last time I was moaning a little bit because I wasn't that impressed by the Boeing jet, the $100 million one. I don't know, I think I was just expecting more toys in the private jet, but I don't know. So I think just to make up for it, I haven't actually watched this video yet, so I'm going to watch it with you guys. So I'm going to be watching the inside world's most luxurious private jet. So I'm quite excited. I'm hoping there'll be more kind of, I don't know, something va va voom to look forward to. Also, I am filming this from the UK, and it's currently, do you know what, it's just really sad and real what's going on at the moment in the world, because we've had the largest number of deaths actually in the UK. I think it was something like 130. So now we're starting to see a little bit of the curve go up now. I know Boris Johnson said we're 2 weeks behind Italy, so I think things are going to be looking pretty crazy in the next week or two. And I'm hoping, God, the sooner this pandemic, is over, the better for everyone, really. It is a bit doom and gloom, and that's all you see on the news. It's all about coronavirus, how many people have died, and you see the young ones without any health issues have gone as well. And you just think, God, like that's really, really scary. So yeah, I have to say I am a little bit anxious about what's happening in the world at the moment. But you know what, Sam Chui? You're helping me get through it.
Welcome to the Middle East Business Aviation Show 2018. This is the biggest business jet display behind. Now I'm going to present you all of these beautiful luxury business jets and see which one you like, and perhaps you want to buy one.
Oh, yeah, if I can afford it. Is it me, or does Sam Chui always nod his head? He nods his head quite a lot, isn't it? I think that's just his style. Wow, look at all these jets. Wow. I like that colour.
I have set my eyes on the biggest one because I want to show you the best. Let's go. Welcome to one of the world's most luxurious Airbus Copper Jet A340.
Right, okay. Wow, the red carpet, eh?
Follow me, I'm going to show you how crazy this plane is.
Sam Chui, don't let me down. Right, they've got a lounge area. Excellent. Yeah, that is cool. That is nice.
This is the entry lounge. Look at how beautiful the finishing, the decoration, the completion, the
Yeah, that is nice. Do you know what? That's what you want to see, right? You want to see luxury. Like the last plane, I have to say, like I didn't like the carpet. I don't know whether you remember the carpet, but it was just like grey carpet with dots all over. I don't know. It just didn't have that finish. Do you know what I mean? Like this looks first class. Like this is what you want.
so big.
Wow, I like the
many
ceilings.
people's houses together, I can tell you. There's so much room to move around, You got so much seat to choose with. You can bring so many people together to fly to enjoy this. This is incredible.
Wow, imagine having your mates around here.
And you can have two games playing at the same time.
Oh, that's
this
amazing.
Is the Chinese game. Very cool.
Oh, I've never seen that.
I can't play this game. I need 4 people to come and play the Chinese mahjong because it's 4 dimensions, 4 people to play together this game.
I'm going to have to Google that. But chess, I love a good chess game. Yeah, board games and alcohol. It's like New Year's Eve all over again, isn't it?
Now I'm into the dining area here. Look at this dining area.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Many of the hotel restaurant I have seen. And then think about this is a flying restaurant. This is a very fine dining flying restaurant. Now, 12 people can dine together. Look at the beautiful dining ware here.
Guys, I want my hen party on this.
Beautiful dining ware. Beautiful dining ware coming from
wow.
Versace.
I literally need my hen party on this. Wow, Versace cutlery, what the hell?
I have to say, the decoration, the design is terrific.
It's spot on. I really like this. Oh my God.
At home, but this chair can swivel and move around. This is what I like. Incredible stuff. I just found 11 more diners to join us. Who want to join us now?
Yeah, oh my God.
Airplane, and this is display here from the owner of Citadel Completions, and this is a company who does completions of interior, and this A340-500 belongs to them, and they're based in Louisiana. I don't have to say anymore because, you know, seeing is believing.
Wow, gold sinking.
Behind me, this corridor leads you to 4 private partitioned bedrooms behind.
You know that's no ordinary corridor, don't you? When it looks like that. Wow.
The plane was about to depart out of the show, and the bedroom was being prepared. I was only able to have a very quick look here, but I was really grateful of this rare opportunity of the company allowing me to make a video to share with you the crazy luxury interior in this privately
Love
owned
it.
plane. So we can
It's
have
really
a
well
look
thought
at
out. I like
crazy
this.
rich travels. This is a beautiful tray, but there's something very special I'm holding here. This is a Tabasco. But do you know where Tabasco come from? Tabasco come from Louisiana. This is a special version of Citadel Completions Tabasco.
Wow, that's so cute.
And 1.5 hour drive from their base in Lake Charles is the Tabasco factory. It's estimated about $100 million for this beautiful opulent interior by Citadel Completion. Okay.
See, the other one was $100 million as well. But this is way better. Oh, I love it. Yeah, the other one was $100 million, the Boeing one, but this is way better.
Now I'm having some dream. This is not a single person shower, it's a 2-person shower. This is a total private bedroom here. Comfortable. Oh, the water really came out. One of the most technology advanced cockpit in the world right now, G650ER. This is the Gulfstream's flagship airplane.
I felt like you could have showed more. I would have loved to have seen what sort of food that they have on this plane. Do you know what I mean? Do they have their own chefs or what kind of dining? Do they have their own menu? Be quite good to see. But honestly, this was stunning. This plane is so good. Oh my God. I hope one day I can afford it.